right, leaving site number 61 at this time. None of the sites have shade, but the sites, I think it's 53 all the way up to 65 are all beautiful views of the bay. Once you get to 66, you lose the view of the bay. You just see the brush. It's kind of nice. The park has facilities to throw away trash in each loop, except the RV loop does not have bathroom facilities. Okay, just leaving the RV loop into the camping loop. Let's see if we can get it to show well there. Sorry about the vertical video, but that's the only way I can keep it semi-stable. And this is the camping loop right next to the RV loop. You can see it on Google Maps overhead. They both have the same shape and everything. And as you can see to the left there, we have a place to throw discarded trash. Straight ahead, we have the women's restroom to the left, and the taller side on the right, I don't know why, is for men. And these are the regular campsites. And since you're going to be in a tent, the view isn't quite as impressive because all you see is brush all the way around. So here's site number 48. So that's site number 47 straight ahead. 46. 45. There's 44. I'd be afraid of the alligators in 44. 43. 42. 41. 40. And the exit.